So if you guys have been in the dropshipping space for a while, you know that I talk a lot about branding your products and eventually scaling up your store. But the main thing that I want to talk about today is how you need to graduate from doing dropshipping to having an actual brand. I see way too many people getting into this business thinking that they're going to make a ton of money just dropshipping crappy products from AliExpress without having any sort of branding and having terrible shipping times. And if you guys stick to dropshipping and don't even try to improve your products or improve your store, you're going to be missing out on a ton of profit and the longevity of your store. And one thing that I suggest that you guys do, if you already have a really good site and it's performing well, it's profitable and consistent, you need to buy inventory. But you guys are probably wondering, what's the difference between dropshipping your product and just having inventory? With inventory, you're actually buying products up front and you're receiving a hefty discount. And on top of this, since you are buying this inventory upfront from the supplier, you're going to get a lot less shipping costs. And on top of this, you're going to be able to put your logo into your product. You can have customized packaging. This way you guys can actually have a legitimate brand as opposed to just being another drop shipper. Like for one of my products right here, you guys can see that I was able to put my logo onto the product and have my own customized packaging, which increased my customer trust over time. And it actually allowed me to scale up to 6-figure months, mainly because I had a lot of trust coming from my customers and they thought I was the original brand selling that product. And the way that this is different from dropshipping is because with dropshipping, you order the product only after the customer places an order. You don't have to order everything in bulk. But if you guys are trying to take it to the next level, buy inventory, have customized packaging, and be a legitimate brand, you need to make sure that you're using a reliable company and a fulfillment warehouse that can actually fulfill your products in a timely manner. And on top of having really good support for any types of like questions or issues that you guys have. And one specifically that I recommend that you guys use, and I've been using them for the past like year or so as my supplier, is USAdrop. And I actually use tons of different companies for buying inventory from and also drop shipping, and they often like overcharge on all the different product costs and shipping costs, and they can actually be pretty unreliable. But the main thing that I like about USAdrop is that they actually have warehouses scattered around the world in the best regions that you guys want to sell your products to, like in the USA, the UK, Australia, United Kingdom, and the EU. In addition to this, if you guys want to store your inventory within the Chinese warehouses with USAdrop, you'll get around 7 to 15 day shipping times. And they actually use super reliable carriers like USPS, UPS, and FedEx. Like you guys can see here on my Shopify store, a lot of these orders are major carriers that a lot of people already know about, and they're very reliable. And if you guys are storing your inventory within a USA warehouse, this is going to increase your guys' customer trust a lot. And when USAdrop actually uploads tracking to your customers' orders, they're going to know exactly when their order is processed and where it is. And you guys also have to understand that there are tons of brands out there that have graduated from just doing dropshipping into turning into an actual brand that has inventory. An example would be BlendJet, Hey Silky Skin, and Sleepband. And by utilizing inventory warehousing in these much faster shipping times, you're going to have a lot better brand connection on your store, which is going to lead to higher conversion rates and higher sales. And on top of this, you guys don't have to worry about peak seasons where you can run out of inventory or the shipping times are terrible, like during Christmas time, the Chinese New Year, or even Black Friday. You would actually be completely unaffected this and be able to stand out compared to your competition that is probably going to drop their spending on paid ads, because if they did continue on trying to sell certain products, they're going to lose out a lot on refunds and chargebacks for long shipping times. And I'm sure some of you guys are selling products in competitive niches like beauty, and there are actually huge brands out there that have these USA warehouses that allow them to have a lot better logistics compared to a lot of other brands. And you guys also have to understand, like, there are some ads out there and some competitors that are able to get 1 to 4 day shipping to the United States. Like, just imagine if you guys are able to state on your website that you ship within 1 to 4 days, or even have that statement within your ads, your conversion rate is going to go through the roof, especially if you guys are trying to sell a product within a competitive niche. And on top of this, once you guys find a product that was selling well within one country, you can start to disperse your inventory to those other warehouses that USAdrop has all around the world. And by doing this, you're going to be able to globalize your brand and scale it to the moon. And also with USAdrop, they pick, pack, and ship all of your inventory. Like, one big problem that a lot of fulfillment companies that I've experienced and used in the past is that they don't package your stuff correctly, and when it arrives, it's all damaged, broken, and a lot of it's non-functional. This actually happened to me a couple of years ago when I used to sell those jade rollers, and the supplier that I was using in their warehouse, their whole fulfillment process was pretty bad, and I had so many returns because it was broken on arrival, mainly because they did not package it correctly. And they simply just had terrible quality control. And dealing with them was a super big headache because I couldn't get all my money back, and I did not do my due diligence about the company before I started working with them. And that leads me on to my next thing about USAdrop is that they have really good agents that you guys can work with in terms of like customer service. If you have any questions about fulfillment or there's a problem with a certain order, they get back to you extremely quickly. And I know what you guys are thinking, well, isn't there a huge risk with buying all this inventory up front and using warehousing? And I'm here to tell you, yes, there actually is. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, and it doesn't guarantee you're going to be amazingly successful. Especially if you guys are trying to sell a product that you've never sold before, you haven't got any types of sales for it, and there is no proof of concept. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is the top 3 things that you guys need to consider before you decide to get inventory and warehousing from a company like USAdrop. So the first thing that you guys need to consider is that you have stable and consistent sales. I actually made the mistake of buying like 500 units up front for a certain product, and it cost me a lot of money, mainly because I was putting all my eggs in one basket with Facebook ads. So as soon as the product went out of trend or I got my account disabled, I was left with all this inventory that was sitting there not making me any type of money. So the lesson here is that make sure you have consistent sales for around 4 to 6 months, and making sure that you diversify and have your brand on multiple advertising platforms. And secondly, before you guys decide to buy inventory, be sure to ask yourself, is this a evergreen product? Is this something that I can sell year round? Because if it's just a seasonal product or a trending product that is going to sell well for like a month, 2 months, or 3 months and then die out, probably not a good idea to buy a whole bunch of inventory for it. You need to make sure that your product solves a legitimate problem and it's something that people can buy all the time. And that's why it's very important for you guys to sell a product that is within a wide market of people so you can scale it for a long time. And then thirdly, you need to make sure that you're working with a really good team of people. I've worked with companies in the past that have overcharged me for a lot of different types of products, overcharged me for shipping costs, and USAdrop has actually done a pretty good job in terms of being negotiable with and having really good agents. And I'm telling you guys now, like with drop shipping, it's important, but if you're talking about warehousing and inventory, this is even more important, because if a supplier has poor quality control for your inventory and there's no care whatsoever for packaging or how your product is shipped out, you're going to be losing a lot of money right out the gate. So communication is extremely important for logistics. And another thing I wanted to talk about is how you guys can navigate the USAdrop site. It's actually extremely simple and organized. Like if you were to go to manage or pay for your recent orders, you would just have to go to the top of your account. And I do like their dashboard because of all the different features that they have. Like they have daily winning products. It also shows the sales volume for trends as well. And then also an example would be like the sparkling tree that you guys can see here. And this is actually a multiple 6 and 7 figure product that is killing it in Q4, and it's also still selling well now. And because USAdrop actually works with these suppliers and sources inventory, they know exactly the amount of sales volume that these products receive. And in addition to this, if you guys wanted to import these products to your Shopify stores, it's actually extremely easy because you can connect your store to your USAdrop account, and then also they give you a description that you can also use for your product page. And if you guys want to do print on demand as well, they offer this for a lot of different products. And just a little secret to you guys, Etsy is huge for this right now. And if you guys happen to find your product that's selling well and you want to buy inventory and you want to use their warehousing, all you guys have to do when you sign up on your USAdrop account is connect with your personal agent, which you guys can find in the bottom right hand corner in the chat bubble. You just have to reach out to them on WhatsApp or Skype, and they'll be able to get back to you extremely quickly. And signing up on USAdrop is free. So if you guys have any types of questions or you want a quote for your product, they're going to be able to update you extremely quickly. So overall, if you guys are trying to scale your dropshipping store and you want to have a legitimate brand and not just look like every other dropshipper out there, I do recommend using USAdrop warehousing and their inventory. This way you guys can save a ton of money and time. And as you guys mostly know, USAdrop is mainly used for dropshipping products, but now they're going to actually help you scale up your dropshipping store, allow you to have inventory, hold it in their warehousing, and give you 1 to 4 day shipping times worldwide. So I thought this was something that was extremely cool to share with you guys today, because they're really expanding in terms of the warehousing locations around the world. Like they have warehousing in the 5 main regions, which means that these are going to be the regions that have the most e-commerce sales. So I do recommend them if you guys want to scale your store or just get into dropshipping in 2023. With that being said, be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll leave USAdrop down in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.